Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by isolating power and confirming 0 volts on the circuit. This keeps you safe. Next, identify supply line L1, neutral N, the motor feed and the control relay coil terminals so you know which wires go where. Once done, mount the start push button No and the stop push button NC near the control station. Make sure to confirm wiring labels and use ferrules on stranded wire to prevent loose connections before moving to the control wiring. You now build the control loop. Connect line L1 to the stop button common, then from the stop's normally closed terminal to the start button common. That keeps the stop normally closed so power flows. From the start button's normally open terminal, run a wire to the relay coil A1 and return the coil A2 to neutral or the designated return. Once wired, add the relay's auxiliary contact in parallel with the start button to create a seal-in or self-latching circuit. You finish by securing all terminals, replacing covers, and removing lockout only when ready to test. First test, press start. The relay should energize and motor should run. Release start, and if the seal-in contact holds, the motor stays on. Press stop. The relay should de-energize and motor stops. If the relay fails to latch, make sure the auxiliary contact is wired in parallel with the start, verify coil voltage under load, and confirm the stop button is truly normally closed with continuity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.